Welcome back to the Studio Toys channel. Today I will show you how to use your MPC X as a keyboard controller. The pads on the MPC X will be used to trigger the sounds coming from the keyboard. Find the Midi end on the back of your MPC X. We'll plug the Midi cable into Midi in number 1. The Midi in from the MPC will go into the Midi out on the keyboard. And then we'll take the Midi in from the keyboard we will plug the other end into the Midi out on the MPC X. We'll use Midi out A, which is the first available port. Now go to the main screen on your MPC X. Under Track, click on the Midi icon. Now you are ready to record a Midi track on your MPC X. By pressing the pads on your MPC X, you will trigger the sounds coming from the keyboard. Pressing the keys on the keyboard will trigger the pads on the MPC X. Notice how the MPC X and the keyboard are both velocity sensitive. Stay tuned for part 2. As always, if you like the vibe, go ahead and click subscribe.